Du ser der noget, du. Hektik.
Euro plus 404, das ist Hausbesitzer. Plus den Bolsers Hart, BSI. Da geht alles, was du hast. Ich cruise auf meinem Holland. Investiert 4 Euro. Ein Follow, weil ich Kohle hab. 780 Euro übrig, erst des Monats. Ich bin 30, gehe ins Supermarkt zu bezahlen. 103,30 dieser Jungen. Junge, sag ich, muss man was zurückgeben. Okay, du klappst. Kali, hast dein Autos, kick in dein Schädel. 74 Dosen aus dem Baumarkt, gleich zweimal rein. 90 Sterne.
Stay done. Stay done.
Lay down.
Stay down. Stay done. Stay done. Second day done.
Okay, guys. It's a nice ride.
Stay at home.
On the other side.
No. Hey, fuck you! Rasta sound,
Side hit. Getting Dibby's burgers tonight.
These burgers and Schwestpachheit.
Local Red Bullets.
I have this one, the Krautenburger.
Perfect. Oh yeah. Shaka.
You need full professional. Yeah. I mean, you can't deal with it. Well, let's hit it with nothing from you.
Kinder blijft ook eens plezier maken. Maar dit wel even.
Brand new. Thank you for the photo.
I say if you got $2, then come through to my party, but get in before you come, cause for that liquor I'll be charging in. Take down these directions, it's right past that intersection, make a right at the light, it's the first house on the left hand. So just in case you wonder, my parties is always live as a mother. It's for supper in the summer when it's hotter than the oven. We the coolest kids we know, so you know we into something that involved doing something with a trunk to get that bass drum pumping. It's my party, so get up. Kakayoi, kakayoi, digi soyo, kakayoi.
You went just and disappeared, and then I had to steer right. So it's kind of perfect shot because you disappeared like a cartoon.
That was so decent. Really high. It's better than getting the shot.
It is.
How was the day?
Eats first. Phone eats first. And next one drinks. Phone eats first. Phone eats first.
Pantalones!